Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to cancel a JCPenney credit card. So without any delay, let's get started. Before canceling your credit card, make sure your balance is fully paid and use any rewards you may have. Once that's done, you will need to contact customer support as you cannot cancel your JCPenney credit card online. So dial 1-800-542-0800 to speak with a JCPenney customer support agent. Let them know that you wish to cancel your JCPenney credit card and they will assist you with that. Be ready to provide any necessary details they request to close your account. That's it, guys. Thanks for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.